How is the real estate market doing here in Glendora in the month of May? I'm going to try to give you a detailed update on how the market's doing in under 5 minutes. So please hang out. I know your time is valuable and we all have things to do. My name is Ibrahim with Team Ibrahim Real Estate. We are based here in Glendora. We are grateful to have over 200 5-star reviews on all the public portals like Google, Yelp, Zillow, and Realtor.com. Please feel free to Google our name, Team Ibrahim, and read the reviews for yourself. If you're loyal to a realtor that you've been working with for many years, enjoy the relationship and the trust. I don't want to take you away from them. But if you are looking for someone to trust in the area with deep knowledge and data-driven decisions, please save our information. It should be in the description below. I would love to give you some free advice on your situation and help you figure out what might be best for you and your family in the near future. Let's jump in really quickly. New listings are down for this month, slightly, not by much, but down. And that is counter-cyclical because usually at this time of year, we see new listings increasing as the springtime rolls around and people start to list their properties for sale. At the same time, active listings are increasing. So if we have less new supply and more existing supply, what does that mean? We look at the pending sales. I see pending sales dropping a lot this month, which means less new properties hit the market, more properties sitting on the market, and less of them getting the offers that we would expect. Is this doomsday? No, but it is noteworthy that this is the lowest number of pending sales in the last 5 years. Now, if we look at the days on market, the days on market here in Glendora have decreased dramatically. That means the properties that were for sale here in Glendora are getting finally purchased. Somebody's buying them. They're being taken off the market sooner. So what gives? It sounds like I'm giving negative news and positive news at the same time. My interpretation of this, really quickly, we're gonna look at the price per square foot, up slightly this month, down 2% compared to last year at the same time. What does that mean? One last data point, and then I'll give you the final answer. Sorry, I keep keeping you on the hook. That's not intentional. Percent of the original price is at 100. That means the median outcome of people asking for whatever price they're asking for, they're getting 100% of it. So some people are getting over list price, some people are getting under list price. But the median situation, let's look at the average. The average situation is 99.5. So on average, people are getting slightly under list price in Glendora for the month of May. What does all that mean? What it means is that there's more properties on the market and less of them going into escrow and for slightly under list price. That means there's more sellers than buyers in the month of May, which is counter-cyclical, not typical. And I would attribute that to rising interest rates, which I'm about to show you in a minute, and the war in Iran and some uncertainty around that, and maybe a volatile stock market, which might affect people's retirement portfolios and their feeling of wealth and their actual wealth. But the point is that the properties that are selling quickly and for good money. Those are the properties that are priced well, positioned well, and marketed well. And if you don't feel like you have someone that can do those 3 things for you well, then reach out and we'll be happy to give you a completely free consultation. But I want to show you mortgage rates really quickly before we end our time together. Last year mortgage rates were over 7%. Then they came down to under 6%, just by a smidge, like 5.99. And then as soon as Israel and the US attacked Iran, the price of oil skyrocketed and inflation expectations also went up. And mortgage rates are priced based on inflation expectations. So mortgage rates also went up from 5.99 to 6.64%. Then the war started to have a little bit of a calm period when there was a little bit of a ceasefire and a truce and all that fun stuff. And rates started coming down to 6.25. And just this past week, we had a little bit of escalation in the Middle East. So rates went back up from 6.25 back up to 6.5. Right now, as of the moment of this filming, we're hovering around 6.5%. That can change by the day. Please feel free to reach out to me. I will be happy to update you daily. If you just want to know what's the rate today, I'll just shoot it over to you. It's very easy for me to share. If this information is helpful for you, please feel free to save this video for future reference. or share it with a friend who may be curious and wants to know how the market here in Glendora is doing. And I'll be happy to update you or your friends and give you any free advice that you need. My name is Ibrahim. I live and work here in Glendora. I can't wait to hear from you, and I'm happy to share whatever I know. I'm an open book. God bless you. Talk to you soon.